Oh, girls, we made it. I see it.
Hey y'all, I'm Matt and this is my channel, The Unmarked Trail. I have a mission to help build the greatest fathers in the world. And it's a journey I'm on myself to find my fatherhood greatness, something that I'll be on the rest of my life. It's a never-ending journey. And something I've found along the way is that if you stay on the same trail as everyone else, you're going to arrive at the same destination as everyone else. The only way to truly find out what you're capable of and how great you can really be as a dad and as a man is to find an unmarked trail. You've got to blaze your own path. And so I hope to inspire you through this channel, through the different videos of our shared experiences I have with my daughters in the outdoors. I really want to inspire you to get outside and have those experiences, but also through some of the fatherhood motivational videos I'll put out as well to start your journey and to find your unmarked trail. So enjoy this first adventure. Hope to see you out there.
Your poles today? I don't think we need jackets. Granola bar? Check it out. It's like an old little bridge. That's cool. Yeah, I wonder if that used to be a trailer or something. Does that count? Is that our first waterfall?
I guess.
I think it counts. Oh, let's do it. You want to go next? With her? One at a time, huh? Oh, look at this view, huh? Check this out. Oh, we've got Ariel over here.
Are we going to go on the bridge?
We are going to go on that bridge.
Yes.
We'll come back.
Wait, what?
I think the waterfall is down that way. I think that creek turns into the waterfall, so we're going to check that out.
What bridge?
See that bridge down there?
Oh! I love bridges.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Thank you. Check this out. Look. The water's going through the rock.
I want to see it. Oh.
See?
You can wash your hands. I washed my hands.
Ooh. That looks like a little cave and a little mini waterfall. Should we check it out?
Yeah.
Here, let's go this way. This looks like the way down. Well, we scouted it out. Not quite as easy to get down as it looks. So, we're going to take a look from here and keep on going. Nailed it! You doing the big jump? Easy peasy. Do you like regular bananas?
Not really.
Okay, that's probably. What about strawberries?
I like chocolate covered strawberries when they're frozen.
Frozen chocolate covered? That's what I'm talking about.
Those are yummy.
Pull up, pull up, pull up. Yeah, get it. What do you do now? Are you slothing it? Oh, you got it. Nailed it. Can you get on too? Can you both sloth it at the same time? You got some muscles? Pull it. Pull it.
I'm doing
What are you doing?
Hey!
No, I'm taking it.
We each get a stick.
Ah. Ah.
A stick.
Ah. Ah. Thank you, Lynn. I surrender. I surrender. I'm waving the white flag. You gotta jump, huh?
Yeah. I'm going the big jump. Jump too.
Oh, cool.
All the way to the end.
Oh my goodness. I don't know if I can make it all the way back, but I'm gonna try it. Remember? Oh.
Daddy, crawl. Crawl.
I don't think my knees will work if I try to get back out there.
I could fit.
I know you can fit. Y'all both can fit. I'm gonna go out before I can never stand up again.
I did.
I should beat you to it. Well, turns out there isn't actually just a place with a view. We were looking for a lookout point, and I guess it's actually off the trail. Now we're hiking down to the bottom, but we did find on the map that there's a waterfall, so I think we're going to be able to get a spot to string at the hammocks and have a real nice view for a snack. So stick with us, we're going to keep going. We're doing a pocket rock, huh?
It's called a rocket.
A rock pocket. That's good. Hold on, can you fit that one in your pocket? Do you have a pocket? No, you don't have a pocket.
In my pants.
Kelsey might be able to fit it in her pocket. Dude. Oh, girls, we made it. I see it. We got a big old waterfall.
Yay, waterfall.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that's a good one.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Oh, it goes into a cave. What? Holy smokes. Wow. All right, don't get too close to the edge. Let me come over there. Oh, yeah, don't go close to the edge. Wow.
This has to be what helps us get tall.
Well, we found a waterfall, and turns out it's pretty awesome. I didn't realize how good it was going to be. We didn't know what we were going to get on this trip, and well, that's what you get when you go on adventures. Sometimes you get some really cool stuff. Sometimes you don't, but no matter what, we have a lot of fun. So we're still going to have some more fun on this hike. I think we're going to be able to find a spot to go string up some hammocks, get some snacks, and enjoy the day. I mean, it's an absolutely beautiful day out here. It's worth it. Go outside, get your kids, go do something. It's really fun. It's worth it. It's work. I'm sweating. I was way overdressed for it, but you know what? Best way to spend the day. We finally found it. I think we got a pretty cool spot to hammock, and we got a view. So we kind of got a bonus here.
And I got a warm seat.
You rocking the sunglasses. Look at you, dude. Good job on the hiking. Come here, Brett. Give me a little fun. Boom. You alright, kiddo? We lost some snacks. Take a little spill. Hey, you know what I got? I got a peanut. Do you like a peanut?
I think he pooped on your hand, Daddy. I think the stink bug pooped on his hand.
Oh, dude, I think you're right. Oh, wait.
It looks like chocolate.
Inconclusive. Could be chocolate, could be stink bug poop.
Ew!
Not quite sure. Wait, what's a bison? I think they snort, right?
Ooh la la, boo-shoo-ba, ooh la 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 la, ooh la la, boo-shoo-ba, ah la la! We got to go to balance beam, we got to go hammocking, we got to go across creeks, we got to see a waterfall, and there's a rainbow on the waterfall. There's like a pond area a little bit. It was like a puddle, and there was a rock next to it, and there was water in it, and it made a rainbow. It was really pretty. And we had a fun time so far. We're totally halfway through, maybe 1 mile or less. So I hope you guys have fun.
Hi.
Okay. Daddy, look at your shirt. It looks like it has a heart. No, actually,
Where?
look, wait, let me get mine. Look.
It kind
looks
of
like
does.
a heart.
It kind of does look like a heart.
A weird looking heart.
A sweaty, weird heart.
I don't know
Alright, got our ice cream.
and there's actual kiwis, so it's like a healthy bar.
You wanna try it?
Oh, that's good. Tastes like broccoli.
Well, that's it for another adventure. Hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe so you can see more adventures that we do. And hopefully the real idea behind this channel is give you all a little bit of inspiration. Get out there, get outside with your kids, go have some fun, go find your own adventure. See you on the trail.